Prime Minister Narendra Modi has shared the breathtaking satellite images of Gujarat sent by the newly launched OceanSat-3 from space. In Gujarat, campaigning for the second phase of polls will conclude this evening, December 3rd. All the political parties will make the last efforts today to woo the voters before the deadline. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said this morning of 4 Nyau Trap National Liberation Council leaders by the Special Court of the National Investigation Agency would not impact the peace talk with the banned outfit. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Friday said that he will not be contesting from 2 seats as speculated in the upcoming assembly polls. In FIFA World Cup, Switzerland advanced to the round of 16 from Group G by defeating Serbia 3-2 at Stadium 974 in Ras Abu Abaud last night, December 2nd.